So when a new version of the MarkBirds database becomes available and you are already using an older version of the database, you can import your data from the old version into the new version, as I will show here. Now, before you begin, make sure that the old database is not opened. That will make sure that all the data is properly moved over. Also, I assume here that you have already installed the new version. So here I've got an old version 180, and I've just installed a newer version 181. So let me show you what the process is. First of all, we're going to open the new version. Because the database is empty, you will see this introduction screen, which will guide you through all the steps. So let's do step 1 first, setting the size of the message windows. So click on Resize Me, and make sure that all the text in the message window is shown. Then click on OK. That will make step 2 appear, and make sure that you choose here the option I have a previous version and I want to import data from it. Click on Import Records, and here we can choose the previous database. So we click on Browse, and we navigate to the folder in which the previous version installed, which is in this case version 180. And the file that you're after here is the file that has got the extension fmpur. So select it and click on Insert, or you can just double click it. And now it will be connected to the new version. And the next step is to click on Start Import. Confirm that you want to do this. And now the import will start, and just let it run. Now when the process is complete, you will see this overview. This is just for reference, and it will give you an idea of the number of records that have been imported. So the next step is to click on Continue. That will open up the Preferences screen. Now your preferences have also been imported, but just have a quick check to see if everything is there as you expect. Then click on Close. And that will take you to the Bird Overview screen. Now you might want to do a few checks to see if everything is there. So for instance, you might want to go to the very last bird that you've added or the very last observation that you've added, just to make sure that all the data is in there. And do a test to see if the database is working properly by, for instance, adding a bird or adding an observation. But that's it. That's how you import your data from an older version to a newer version.